Hi guys, this is Mark at DavidSW. Today we'd like to take the opportunity to show you what you receive when you get a package from us here at DavidSW. We're going to start with opening a very secured box. Everything's sealed, certified, insured. I know to a lot of you out there that's so important, to myself as well, but I think you're going to love how the packaging is done. So we truly appreciate all of our customers. You get a wonderful card thanking you for your purchase and your loyalty to DavidSW. Secondly, as you can see, everything is packaged. Get our lovely paper with our insignias on there, really, really cool. And then your beautiful package, okay? And as you witnessed, obviously very, very secure for you and cushioned, okay? No damage can happen to your timepiece. So I'm going to open from the front here. I didn't even know what was in this thing. But today, got a beautiful Patek Philippe. Let's take a look at what model we've got. Lay this over here. Isn't that just gorgeous? Patek does it so well. So as well as your timepiece, I just want to take a quick opportunity. This little tab, you tug on that, your booklet comes out. And obviously with everything at DavidSW, you get all of the documentations, okay? Oh my goodness. A 5070p Platinum Patek Philippe, 42 millimeter, such a gorgeous piece. We all know this particular model is done on the pliant strap to show the actual beauty of that. So it's the blue dial with the chronograph and the exhibition bag. As you can see, everything comes wrapped, secure. But again, guys, this is the 5070p Patek Philippe, blue strap, chrono, blue dial, platinum, absolutely stunning. Talk about craftsmanship, workmanship, and the top of the line in the watch industry, Patek Philippe. What's on your wrist?